Hey, love. Where are we going today, love?
We are going to the Airforce Museum here in Christchurch.
So we're in Christchurch,
Yes,
right?
we're in Christchurch. What surprises me that most of the museums here are free. I mean, you don't have to pay an entry fee. The Airforce Museum, Tara. Free entry every day.
Wow, there's a chair. Wow, this is so impressive.
Very impressive, yeah.
Wow, look at that. A big fighter jet.
JP taking photos. Oh, we are at the Royal New Zealand Air Force Museum. Are these actually original?
I think so. I
ones?
think so.
Yeah. It's this one, this particular one, was assembled in 1943 and entered the service in 1944. After the war, it was stored until 1951 and converted to an instructional airframe. It was discovered on a farm in 1975. Someone was using it on his farm. What?
Please leave the cockpit.
How about this one now?
I think this is something I don't understand.
Turbojet.
Turbojet. What's this blue thing down there?
That's a combustion chamber with single stage compressor and single side
Are you
impeller.
reading it?
There. I don't know what it is. I was absent during our engineering class,
I
our
see.
space engineering.
Are you enjoying the museum?
Yeah, of course. It reminds me of my time at the Air Force when I was a janitor there.
No, you were not.
I'm just kidding.
It's a sad story also because, you know, like they talk much about the First and Second World War and yeah, it's really interesting.
So you just press it like this now.
Looks very easy when you do it.
You just confirm
I see.
the takeoff
Yeah.
and you say, Roger that, 555 in the bag, 555. Ready for launch.
Ready? Okay.
Ready for breakfast.
Not for lunch.
Not for lunch.
Because I'm a real good driver, I'm sure I can fly this one easily. Whew, there's so many buttons and a joystick. Look, there's room for my legs. That's cool. It's a bit smelly in here. It smells like metal. How do you fly? This too, and then it flies? Oh, cool. My love, I finished my coloring. How do you like it?
No, it's beautiful. Perfect.
We have to go here. Yeah.
That's the plan of attack
That's,
or the plan of retreat.
I don't know, it's a map of New Zealand, I think. This was a control column from a plane that crashed, unfortunately, killing Cecil. Oh, yeah, he was actually New Zealand's first qualified flying instructor. He died.
Love, they designed an aircraft for people like me. Look.
Okay. The lighting and the planes. These are probably really original planes that
Yes.
are displayed here.
These are the original
Oh,
ones.
it seems to be. This was operated in 1942. But it ran out of fuel. Oh, that's very sad. Very impressive, right?
Yeah, very impressive.
We're gonna fly planes now. You made a turn? Looks like gymnastics. Oh yes. Oh, don't crash, love. Maybe that's how planes work. No, don't crash.
Boom! Yes. One more lap. Boom! Yes.
In 1929,
It's nice to watch this one. Hello everyone. We just visited the what's the name?
Airforce Museum of New Zealand.
And
Yeah.
it was a surprise, right?
It's really good.
We didn't expect like how beautiful that museum is, and it's free.
Yeah, very, very informative. Very,
Very
well done.
informative.
Yeah.
Well done, Christchurch. Well done, Museum of New Zealand Air Force.
And the Royal Air Force of New Zealand. That's well done. Yes.
Well
yes.
done. Yeah, this is the end of our video about this
Museum.
museum.
And now we are
Going to play bowling.
I'm not good at that.
Me too. Thank you guys for watching, and those who are new, just hit the subscribe button.
And the like thing, thumb. Okay? See you
ya.
next time. Bye. Love, what happened?
Oh, we got into the wrong car.
Yes, you
I
wanted
mean,
to open the
I
another
wanted
car.
to open the wrong car.
And good that the alarm didn't go off. Oh, but it's difficult to see in this rain. Okay, we're going bowling now, guys. See you later. How do you do it?
Thank you for watching this video.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you on our next video.